Here's the best legal way to make 5 to 10K per month even as a complete beginner. And don't worry, there's 7 billion people on earth that you can promote to, so it's never going to be saturated. Plus, only 1% of you will watch this video anyway. And there's millions of products that you can promote, so don't worry. Make sure you save this video so you can look back at it when you need it. Step number 1, go to Digistore 24, then go ahead and go to Marketplace. Choose your niche or any product that you want to promote. I'm gonna go to Business and Investment. Now choose any one of these products that you want, but I'm going to choose crypto since it's really popular, and this product in particular will pay me $400 for one sale. Click promote now. Now this is your affiliate link and this is how you get paid. Next, go to pixels.com and then look for an image related to the product that you chose to promote. Choose any one of these images and just download it. I'm going to choose this one, and then once you choose your image, click free download. Go to pinterest.com and then create a pin. Add the image that you chose. Instead of pasting your affiliate link from Digistore right here, let me show you a better way. Just gonna make a simple funnel with one page that looks just like this, where we ask for name and email so we can send them email follow-ups if they don't buy this product. Once you do this simple page, this is the link that you want to promote on social. Now each time someone clicks and buys through my pin on Pinterest, I make $400 in commission. What I just showed you is called affiliate marketing, and if you're interested in learning how to do affiliate marketing the right way, follow my page, to the link in my profile and get my free beginner's guide.